What's good, KJB crew? Back with another video, and Doechii just released a song called Anxiety just like 30 minutes ago. You know I had to come downstairs and react to it. Before we get into it, thank you all for being here. We're at like 2,093 subscribers, 7 more till 2,100. Let's get there tonight. Thank you all for being here. I appreciate you all. I'm so excited for this, man. I was waiting for a new Doechii. Let's get it. Doechii, Anxiety, the visualizer. Let's go. Oh shit. Now I'm just somebody that you used to know. Did she for real get bit by an alligator or something? You see that? Or am I tripping? Is that a scar?
Anxiety, keep on trying me. I feel it quietly, trying to silence me.
Okay.
My anxiety can't shake it off of me. Somebody's watching me, and my anxiety.
Oh yeah. This is fire.
Solo, no mojo, I bounce back, no pogo, unhappy, no homo, new brands, no logos, money on my
Unhappy, no homo, gay means happy. Bro, well, gay used to mean happy, or it still can. Fuck it. Unhappy, no. Oh, come on, bro. Come on, Doechii.
logo, unhappy, no homo, new brands, no logos, money on my juggler, natural hustler, think I need a smuggler up in Russia, you could be my butler, shine my cutler, shout out to Oyenda, that's the guzzler, okay, next thing, my life is a wet dream, I call it a sex scene, the bag is a nice tease, I tried to escape, my life is an x-ray, I'm sorry, a sex tape, you only get one take, quiet on the set, please. Rolling anxiety, in 3, 2, 1. Anxiety, keep on trying me, feel it quietly, trying to silence me, yeah. Anxiety, shake it off of me, somebody's watching me, it's my anxiety.
Yeah. I love this.
From Florida.
Her versatility will always be fucking amazing, bro. Oh my god. She is so fucking dope, bro. Like, she got so many different sounds, bro. She got so many different sounds.
Keep it quiet, oh, somebody's watching me. Anxiety, oh, I feel anxiety. Corridor from Florida, what's in that clear blue water? No limits, no borders, what's in that new world order? Marco, Polo, Negro run from Popo, that blue light in that rojo. And it's like, I get this tightness in my chest, like an elephant is standing on me, and I just let it take over. Anxiety keeps on trying me. Anxiety keeps
killed this. Yo. Shout out to the Swamp Queen. Oh shit, that was fire. The Grammy Award winning Doechii. That was amazing, dog. She took the beat and murdered it. Yo, that was fired, man. Her versatility is unmatched. That was dope. Wow, dude. Wow, dude. Yo, I had to come down to react to this, man, right before work, man. Fuck, I'm happy. That just made my night, man. Now I'm gonna have a good night at work. Shit, shout out to Doechii, man. Yo, that was lit. I'm gonna end the video right here. If you like what you heard, like what you saw, like, comment, subscribe, request more music. I'm gonna get them done. Thank you, Doechii. Thank you, everybody who's requested. Hey, I'll catch you on the next video. See you.